Now I'm going to show you how to create this tortoise shell, and this is the fastest way that I ever discovered of creating the tortoise shell. Of course, completely accidentally, but I've decided I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm telling you, this is the way that I'm going to do the tortoise, I think, from now on all the time, because this is just a 1 second thing, okay? So for this one, I need my black background, and black background will be the key, so that will give me extra depth, and the cat eye gel polish number 1. And the reason of me using the number 1 is the specific feature of this gel polish, which has this gray base, so it's not completely transparent base with these particles. It is the gray base, and that is really helping me to achieve my look. So first thing first, I need to apply a layer, and needs to be a little bit thicker. So of course I shaked my gel polish prior, and now I need this nice and even layer of my gel polish silver, the cat eye number 1. And now what I will do, I will first take my magnet and I will magnetize my particles. So just find my magnet first. Here we go. I will magnetize my particles to make sure everything is nice and shiny. And you see, I'm moving my magnet around. Just take it a little bit more out, so it will be a little bit quicker. And magnetizing and moving everything towards the middle. And now you can see everything is super shiny. I have this gorgeous glare that I need for my design. And now what I'm going to use one of the sticks that I showed you on the beginning with different magnets that I bought somewhere on Amazon or AliExpress. I don't even remember, but I wanted to show you one thing about those, and I need one more. If I will find in my box. Okay, I don't have it in my box, but anyway, you will see what I mean. When you buy in these things, you will see each one of them has different length. Okay, the feature that I've noticed is the longer the length, the smaller the holes or the depth of the designs will be. So the shorter ones are a little bit stronger than the longer ones. So I'm going to use the longer one, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to place it in a spot, and I will start to create my little depth. And you see, I should see the black, dark gray, and then my glare. So this one, and then one next to it. And I want to create these dots that will give me my tortoise pattern, okay? But I want to see these different colors. You see in here, so I have black and gray and glare, and this is really, really important. So I want to maintain the previous one as well. And if you think about this, when we do the tortoise nails, we do all of these layers to create our different shading, and this one we can do just with our cat eye number 1 silver, because has this little glare. Okay, so this is my pattern. This one goes to the light for 30 seconds. So here it is. This is cured, and you see all of these layers and the depth, and this was super fast. Okay, now of course the glass gel polish brown. If you do not have glass gel polish, the same as you do normally with the tortoise designs, just choose something else and mix your gel polish with the base and top, and you will have your perfect color. Now I need to apply quite thicker layer of my glass, so then I will see this really depth and different colors. So you see, I'm quite generous with this one, but it's just one layer all over it. So this time I don't need my yellow, orange, amber, or whatever layers, black, etc, etc. This is done for me, and this is so fast. I'm actually really, really happy I made it happen, because that will be my way of doing the tortoise. Now I will just flip my nail upside down just to make sure my gel stays in the middle. I've used the generous layer, but if you think about this, for the tortoise in general, even over the gel polish, I would only have now just 2 layers of the gel polish. Yes, they will be a little bit thicker, but will be just the 2 layers and the top gel, and normally you will have all of these extra layers. So this is my end results from the previous one, and you see all of these different layers and the depth. And now the other one that was just curing, you see again a little bit different, because of course I've created different pattern and my elements are a little bit bigger, but you see the depth on each one of it. So if I will now define some of my tortoise, I will see I've used before the yellow, the orange, the brown, and of course the black to create my pattern. And now I can use just these two. So if you haven't got them yet, cat eye number 1 and glass gel polish brown, just have them and you will be amazed. And of course you need this little thing, but just go on Amazon and you get it for £1, and that will be your little helper to create this look.